Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So you just got your new iPhone but don't know whether to put a screen protector on it or not. Well, according to Apple, you don't have to because their screens are scratch resistance. They got this Gorilla screen or whatever screen they have on their iPhone, so you don't have to put your or any screen protector on it, even though they offer screen protectors on their website. But hey, that's maybe a topic for another video. But in today's video, I just want to show you how to put a screen protector on your iPhone. And I definitely recommend you to put a screen protector on your iPhone, even though I have a iPhone 12 Pro Max and I don't have a screen protector on it for a couple of weeks. And I noticed some scratches on it, and that's disturbing a lot. That disturbs me a lot. So definitely put a screen protector on it. This one is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And as you see, the screen protector is already cracked, so I thought to just make a video and show you guys how to do that. So first of all, you start by pulling this screen protector off your iPhone, if you have one, obviously. Then you need a cloth. This is just a regular cloth, but if you buy a screen protector, you definitely will get this wipes along with it, so just keep those. But for this video, I'll not use this cloth. I'll just use it with these wipes in here. So it's pretty straightforward. There is a 1 and a 2 on these wipes. So you just start with number 1. And number 1 is a bit wet, but you don't have to worry about damaging your iPhone since this is not alcohol. Definitely don't put any alcohol on your screen. Why? Because Apple put a protector on your screen, and every time you use alcohol to wipe down your screen, that protector get eaten up by the alcohol. So don't wipe your screen with alcohol. And as you see here, every time I wipe my iPhone, the screen turns on. I highly recommend you just to put your iPhone off. I'm not gonna do that because that takes way too much time for this video and I don't want to waste your time. So once you've done that, you go ahead and wipe it one more time with the second wipe. And this one is dry, so you just go ahead and wipe it clean. There shouldn't be any dust on your iPhone whatsoever. And once you're done, so that's the reason why I recommend you just to put your iPhone off, and your screen should be dust free by now. Then grab your screen protector, pull it off or peel it off, just like that. And grab your iPhone, and this is the trick. You need to start here at top and just nice and easy let it fall on your screen. And as you see, I'm not sure if it's noticeable on screen, but as you see, it does the whole work by itself. There are no bubbles whatsoever. It just did the whole work. I didn't do anything. You just place it on top, at top, and you let it just fall on its place by its own. And just like that, your screen protector is on your iPhone. And that's actually it. I hope you've got something out of this video. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.